this is my new favorite tripod. Let me explain why I'm so excited about a tripod. I've been using GorillaPods for maybe 3-4 years. I've been a Joby ambassador for I think 2 years now. They're just so handy. I don't need to get into the intricacies of why I love these GorillaPods and how adaptive they can be. But in the past year and a half, whilst I've been shooting on a Sony, I've been using a 5K, which is the taller version of this. Traditionally, the 3K was made out of some sort of plastic. I'm not too sure what it is. But here's the big difference. This is their brand new 3K Pro. This GorillaPod is now made out of aluminium, but it's the size of the 3K. Super compact. The 5K was great and I loved it, but I didn't realize how big it was and how hefty it was to carry around until I started using this 3K. And it just does everything that my 5K did. I'm currently using a mirrorless camera, the Sony a7S Mark II, with a 16-35 lens. It's able to hold that. In Stockholm, I was using a 24-70 Canon lens, which is a lot heavier, and this thing was still working everything the 5K did, but it's now built into this smaller compact size, which I really love. The reason this is my favorite tripod is I want to be able to take it everywhere. One, I can do that, it just fits in the side of my bag. Two, I don't want it to be too heavy. This thing is light. Three, I want it to be able to adapt it to any surrounding I'm in. If I want to put it on a wall, if I want to attach it to a lamppost, whatever it is, I can do it with this. It also has this new smaller, I don't even know what these things are called. This thing, it's smaller and it's really nice. It just works very nicely with the mirrorless cameras. A lot of people say to me, which is the best GorillaPod to get? It depends what you do. I used to use the plastic 3Ks when I was shooting all on phones. I then moved up to the 5K when I started using a Sony, and now I've gone back down to the 3K, but the aluminium one. I appreciate the love, Joby. And if you're new around here, thank you for watching, guys. My name is Andy. I make videos about things that make me curious. If you want to subscribe here on YouTube, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Bebo, MySpace, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever your thing is. I mean, I don't have all those things, but if you can find me on MySpace, that would be pretty crazy. Have a great day.